One of the biggest fears people have when starting online is thinking they need their own product before they can make money. But with AI Skill Stack, that's not the case. You don't need to spend months creating something to sell. Instead, you can use the system to build an audience and promote offers that are already done for you. AI Skill Stack is built to handle the hard parts. It writes the emails, organizes your campaigns, and helps you connect with your audience on autopilot. This means you can start growing your list today even if you don't have a product of your own. The platform lets you plug in affiliate products, digital offers, or even services from others, and the automated emails do the work of promoting them for you. Think about it. Your role is simply to focus on building connections and letting the AI handle the heavy lifting. You get to skip the long, frustrating product creation stage and jump straight into generating income. And here's the best part. AI Skill Stack comes with a money back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and see how it works for you. If you're ready to launch your business without the stress of creating your own product, sign up through my link in the description and let AI Skill Stack do the hard work for you.